So when you're training in the gym, it's really important to know your limits. And by this, I mean, for example, lifting weights. You need to make sure that you're always lifting a weight that you can control and that that weight doesn't control you. You need to make sure when you're lifting it, you're never jerking your body, as that's likely to cause injuries to the muscles and to the joints. It's also really important never to overtrain. When we overtrain, we tire our body, and what we do is we decrease the ATP levels, which means basically your energy levels. And then when you're not training properly because you're overtired, that's when you're also really likely to get an injury. And the other really important thing is to always make sure that you properly warm up and that you stretch, and that you also properly cool down and stretch as well. It's also really important to always listen to your body. If you feel anything that feels painful or uncomfortable, then you should stop straight away. Pain is a signal to you telling you that something's not right. It's so important when you're working out always to have good form, and by that I mean your body is in proper alignment and that you're working out with the correct technique. Especially if you're using free weights, it is essential that you're keeping those joints in the correct alignment. And I always recommend, if you're not sure of an exercise, always get a fitness professional to assess your technique, as by training with the wrong technique can cause an injury. One of the most important things with training is not to overtrain, and so many people do that. But the problem is, if you overtrain, your body then becomes tired and you won't train with good technique, and then you're more likely to injure yourself, and then you're off training for a long time. So it's really important to take those rest days and look at them as part of your training, as that is really important to keep healthy and fit, is to have those rest days as well. So really, working out, you should be looking at 4 to 5 times a week. And also, if you're training for a specific event and you're worried about overtraining, then it's a good thing perhaps to speak to a personal trainer or someone within your gym, just to make sure that you're not training too hard. So ideally, you should be working out between 4 to 5 times a week, and it's really important, remember, to take those rest days, not overtrain. But if you're training for perhaps like a specific goal and you're worried about overtraining, then why not speak to a personal trainer or someone in your gym just to get some professional advice. So if you pick up an injury in the gym, the first thing that you should do is stop training, and the most important thing is apply ice therapy to that injury, as that's going to help reduce any swelling, any inflammation, any bruising. It's going to restrict the blood flow to that area, and it's also going to help numb the pain. Okay, so you should use heat therapy on an injury 24 hours after it, or when the swelling has gone down, as what happens is applying heat will then increase the blood flow to that area, which is going to help recover, and also it helps reduce any pain. So TheraPower will do different packs for different parts of the body, and this one here is the knee pack. And the great thing is with this is that it will fit and contour your exact body shape, and with the Velcro strap you can tighten that, so it just really means that you're going to be healing that whole area, and it's fitted exactly to your body shape. So TheraPower also do a pack specifically for the back, which is brilliant because you can put it round, and again the great thing is you've got that strap there so you can adjust it, and also the other good thing is you can use it if you have any abdominal or menstrual cramps, is really good as well. So TheraPower also do a sports pack that you can apply to any part of your body, and this also comes with a strap, so then you can secure it firmly in place.